Hello guys, I came back with another unboxing video, but this time it's quite different because I've been already wearing these shoes for like 3 times, and I got it like almost 2 years ago in 2019. But I thought it was a good idea because it's a really classic stuff, classic sneakers from Louis Vuitton, which is Luxembourg sneakers from LV. So even though it's not the fresh one, it's pretty new, so I'm gonna do the unboxing today. Here we go. So if you open the box, you're gonna see those two sneakers, and there's a intro guidance book, small guidebook, and then there's a extra shoelaces in different colors. The one the sneakers has it on it, it's a brown one with the patterns, but the one in this box is just a normal black one, so you can change it if you want to. Let me show you the shoes right now. If you open the dust bag, you can see those classic Louis Vuitton Luxembourg shoes, and it has a little monogram embossing on the side, which it looks very nice, and it's just classic monogram patterns on the surface, so it's very classic. I tried it 3 times, and every time I tried it was for the wedding, and it looked really nice. Everyone complimented about the shoes. There is a Louis Vuitton Paris lettering logos inside, and the shoelaces has brown and beige like houndtooth patterns, and there's a Louis Vuitton Paris logos on the upper sole also, and on the back also another layering logos. On the bottom it's just normal, and I know it's quite not clean, but Louis Vuitton Paris, but it's made in Italy, so something to look up. Other than that, the design is nice, and the color is amazing, and it goes well with all kinds of outfits. Even though you want to go for the casual, it goes really well. And just like me, if you want to go for the wedding or the bachelor parties, it stands out, but not too much. It has a really nice classic look. When I got the shoes, it was 2019, and the price was like $800. But right now, it's almost $940. So it's a price in South Korea. I think it can be different if you're getting in Europe or America. But I think the price will still keep go up. And if you want classic stuff, classic pair of shoes, I think you should get it. And that's pretty much it for today. I think I'm gonna come back with another unboxing video of any kinds. Thanks for watching the video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.